How to fix Webtoon not working. Hello guys and welcome back into this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix Webtoon easily and fast. First thing is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and then search right here for Webtoon like this, click on it and force stop the app. After that, click on the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again, click on data usage and here disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them back again. And then after that, just go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it and then restart your mobile phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.